Oh, hello, beautiful people. Hello, hello, hello. It's weekend and the sun is outside, so obvious we're going out. We're going for a vroom vroom, just a little one, not too far today. It's Sunday, so I don't want to go very far, to be honest. I still have things to do around the house, but yeah, just to tick the box. I mean, just tick the box for today, going out with the bike and do a couple of shots. The other day I've been up on the loft and pricked down the GoPro. I know everyone now it will be, oh my GoPro, now we have how we call DJI action. Oh well, it is what it is. Insta360 X4 on the front, GoPro on the chin, and we see how it will look. Last time when I used this, what are you doing? No indicator. Hey, indicator. Oh la 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 la. Cheap car. Cheap car. Do not buy that specific car, guys, because it comes without indicators. I'm such a silly Billy, but it is the truth. Anyway, so yeah, this GoPro, last time when I used it, it was long time ago. Remember, I'm 999 years old. When I was doing the YouTube, yeah, one channel we give it away after we've done, I don't know, something 100K, and I'm stuck with the other one, which, to be honest with you, for a long time I haven't been in, but I'm thinking probably, it depends of the time and more other factors, probably this year we will go again in YouTube. Who knows? Who knows? The plans are there. We'll see if we can transform them in reality. For you to be able to see if that it will happen, and another 2 or 3 surprises projects what I want to build this summer. What you have to do is very simple. To see if all this is happening, just press that. Yeah, what do you mean? If you haven't pressed it yet, oh my god, come on, join the little crazy DFlo family where everyone is okay. A biker friend. He has like mine only because he's a new one. Yes. Oh yes. Oh yes. Cool. My baby girl. Loads of power, very comfortable. Another one, nod. No, he didn't. They've done this stretch. All the time when I was coming to here, there've been so many little potholes. But it was annoying because all the time you was doing literally slalom between them. If I was a bike instructor, 100%, I was bring my clients down there to do their test. You didn't need cons or things like this, and plus the test, harder. You was avoiding one, and 100% you will take the second one or the third, fourth, fifth, and so on. And how you can see today, I'm in such a chill mood. I'm not rushing, I'm staying behind, I'm not filtering. I don't know why. Probably because it's Sunday and I'm trying to prepare myself mentally for the new week. And I'm in tonality with my engine. Let's give a huh? 138 horsepower for a bike which is not even weighing at 200 kilos. It's under 200 kilos. So I think it's perfect. It's perfect. And to flipping around the cities, villages, and all, oh, this is nice. I think it's perfect. Consuming, comfortable, power, everything what you need. The ZX40, yes, that is for the long trips. That is for the long trips. And this year I'm looking for something a little bit more big and powerful for my long journeys. And I'm talking about when I'm going to France, hopefully Italy this year on the bike, Norway, Belgium, Europe in general. And maybe I will come to visit you too. Symphony. Oh, yeah. It's very hot, it's very nice. Already I can smell the summer. I can't wait to go to put my little bum in the water on the beach. Yes. And to catch a little bit of a sun. Yes. Well, let's see how is the downtown. How busy it is. Huh? Like Sunday morning. Not too much, but enough. I wonder where are the lads? They're still sleeping. I need to give them a call. Poke.